Hello, Sanbonani. Today we are doing a dessert called an apple dumpling. Some call it that way. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes before starting baking. Let's begin. Sprinkle flour on a clean flat surface. Roll the pastry dough. This is a store-bought pastry dough. I'm so glad you came through to watch my video. Thank you so much for your time. Now cut circles as shown in the video. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information regarding this recipe. Use a dough scraper to help pick up the sticking dough. Cut the top of the apple. Remove the inside with a spoon and set the inside aside. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, my friend? Please press the subscribe button and the notification. Now place the apple at the center of each cut dough. Cut lines around the apple and not touching the center. Bring each cut dough up, pull it slightly towards the end and tuck it inside the apple. The dough will overlap, that is okay. Put the apples on a lined baking tray. Now we're making the filling. Blend the inside of the apples. Chop and melt chocolate over hot water bath while stirring. I'll explain this process in the description box below. It is best to mix all the ingredients with chocolate over a hot water bath to avoid the chocolate getting hard fast. Add apples to the chocolate, oil, sugar, flour, and mix. I had to stir it over hot water bath. Now let's fill the apples with batter. Avoid overfilling them as I have done. You can use a piping bag. It will be clean and neat. pieces of chocolate at the center and sprinkle red chili flakes. That's optional. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden. There you go. They look beautiful and yum. Please do me a favor and press the like button and leave a comment below. Please let me know, would you be trying this recipe? If you try it, please let me know how did it go. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I think I need vanilla ice cream with this dumpling. See you soon. Bye-bye.